Gaming memes go. Wait, this is Sora too.
Look, man, I'm not here to judge your whole life, but you died to the cannon minion 8 times in one lane. At that point, it's disturbance.
That's not a law. It's just a bad game.
No wave, no vision, no flash. You autoed it once, it chunked you.
So over the few last months, I began a lot of these comments, as you can see here, people asking if I can do like a step-by-step video workflow of how I at least generate AI videos. So all my videos are like memes almost, or like they're trying to be entertaining and make people laugh. I don't use AI videos for anything serious. I just don't find it interesting. So every video I create, I'm trying to be funny or yeah, just make people laugh or do some weird stuff, I guess. So that is what we're gonna do today. So it's gonna be a bit of different. I'm just gonna walk you through how I think about using all the AI tools we can do. So 11 Labs, Nano Banana. We're not gonna use Sora, but we're gonna use Kling. We're gonna use Suno and put everything together from an existing clip. So as you can see on the screen here, this is just one of the results. So this video on all platforms, you can see we got 3.2 million views on TikTok. We got like 5 million views on Instagram, and I think over 10 million views total on all platforms. This 1 minute AI video here. So and we also got a reaction, as you saw in the beginning, from a big Twitch streamer, asmongold. He did a reaction on his stream and it just went super viral. So I'm gonna leave the full reaction at the end of the video. So, but I just want to get started. I just want to show you how I actually go on to begin to create like a, yeah, what I call a viral video. I'm not gonna cover strategy in this video, but I have a small section on it I'm gonna explain soon. So it's just gonna be the practical way how I do this. So let's just get started. So if you go to Premiere Pro, you can see I have loaded up a clip here. So this is just it's just a clip from Pawn Stars, this pawn shop in LA. It was very popular I guess it's still maybe popular. I remember watching a lot of this. So we're gonna try to turn this into like a funny clip. And I'm just gonna walk you through how I think about doing this, because I know we can do with AI tools and stuff. I kind of know everything we can do. So the first thing I want to do here is just turn this into like a 916, because this is going to be from for like yeah, these other platforms, not YouTube long form. So I'm just going to change to vertical, right? So we get it like this. Yeah, you can see this is fine. And let's say we wanted to do our first clip here. Yeah, so what I think we want to do here is actually just the customer comes in, right, and we want to take their voices, turn them into, yeah, just similar-ish voices, and we want to represent something else here, not the gun that he's selling. Let's try to sell something else. I have something in mind. So the first thing I'm going to do then is we just need to grab the 2 different voices, right? So what I went ahead and did is I took some of the main person voice. We can have a quick listen. So this is Rick, the owner.
Clark and Sherrard. That is, it might be the rarest.
Yeah, you get the point. And here's the customer.
There's been several of them. Everyone's been sold for the big auction house.
A very distinct voice. So those are super easy to do on 11 Labs. So I'm just gonna head over there. And over on 11 Labs, we're just gonna do create or clone a voice and just instant clone and just drop the MP3 file here. And then we kind of ended up with a voice that is called Guy and Rick, or Ricky. So these are the 2 voices we're gonna use in our small clip here. So let's just select the voice here, Guy 1. And let's come up with the first line. We need something we want to sell here. So instead of the gun here, right, we want to sell something else. Let's do a screenshot of that. So I'm just gonna screenshot this frame. Let's blow it up a bit first. So let's just zoom in and adjust that so we get this in the center here. I'm just gonna do a screen grab of this, okay? And then let's head over to Nano Banana. And then we can just change the pistol to an old worn Halo Edition Xbox controller. Remove the holster. And let's just run this. But first let's do PNG. And we want a 916. So that is gonna be our first clip here, right? And while we wait for that, I want to change up the sound of the customer. So if you remember in the start of the clip here, Rick says something like,
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. What we got here?
he says, what do we got here? And now I'm gonna do, this is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller. I'm gonna select my guy and let's just generate this and hear how it sounds. Okay, good. So now that we have that, let's listen to it. So it's something like this.
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
Okay, that's fine for this example, right? I maybe would have worked a bit more on it, but we have that now. So now let's check back on the image we wanted to generate. So we ended up with this. Yeah, I guess that's fine. So let me download this. Okay, download this. And let's head over to the video model. So we uploaded the image, right? And then we can just do hands to the left, picking up an Xbox controller, moving it around. We can do, I guess we can do 10 seconds for this. That's fine. Maybe we can use some of it. So let's do 10 seconds here on Kling 2.5 with this part. So I'm just gonna let this run. I'm gonna take you back when we have this. Good, now we have this video clip here, right? So you can see now, this turned out pretty good. So let's just play this with the audio from the customer now.
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
Yeah, I think that works very good. So what we need to do now is if we go back to our original clip, we just need to cut that out here. So when it comes to Rick, let's hear what he says here.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. What we got here?
This is an old son.
So I think we're just gonna start here and play it a bit. But first let's make the zoom in here. So up until this frame, I think if we go back one frame, you can see we are in this wide shot. So let's just cut here. And then we can go back one frame and let's do the zoom in. That should be fine. So let's just zoom on in on Rick here. And if you go one frame forward, I guess, we can see how long that lasts. And we can stop it right there. Zoom in on him. So let's do the zoom. Boom. And let's do that, not that. This. And that should be pretty good. And this is the part we need to replace now, right? So let's go grab our clip and our audio. Okay, so here is our clip, right? So now we got the zoom in, we got the zoom in, we got the clip. Perfect. So now we need to align the audio here. So let's listen to this, what we have so far.
I'm doing good. What we got here?
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
Okay, I think that's pretty good. I think that's what we wanted. So you kind of get the point now. We got the original intro.
I'm doing good. What we got here?
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
So we kind of had the original intro, but we kind of altered it here. Instead of the gun, we have the Xbox controller, right? And the customer is gonna comment on this item. I think we need some more music to make this work a bit better. So for that, I like to use Suno. So I did a prompt here I can show you. So the prompt was basically, I'm gonna show you. So I tried to do like this Pawn Stars, Pawn Shop intro music. So it's like, let me zoom in a bit. Lively acoustic guitar strums, western country, upbeat, bass driven. You can just copy this if you want to. So I'm gonna download this. Let's try to use that as our kind of background music that kind of fits the whole theme here. Okay, so I placed the music on now, and I think that should be it. That should be kind of the way I work with this. Of course, I can't explain my ideas, but this is basically all you need, I think. I'm gonna show you the full project afterwards, but let's listen to this 5-second intro now and kind of how this works if we, do it this way.
I'm doing good. What we got here?
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
Yeah, I think that's good, right? That is kind of exactly what I was looking for. And that is basically my workflow. Of course, I can't really tell what clips you want to do. But basically, all what I did here now is things you can do. These are basically all the tools I use. I use screenshots, Nano Banana to make the images I want. I use Kling 2.5 to turn those clips, those screenshots into video. I use text-to-speech to generate some extra audio if I have to. We don't always have to do that, as you will see in the full clip now. and I use Suno to just do some, fitting background music. But before I show you kind of the full video, how it ended up, I want to talk a bit about my course platform, because a lot of strategy goes into this. So I have my own AI video course. It's been a while since I uploaded it, but I did that for a few days ago. So with kind of, if I go to my dashboard, and if you sign up for the course, you will get access to the newest module. Of course, you get access to all the modules we have here on AI video. But the newest one is the viral AI video strategy, where I kind of go into depth how I think about if you want to create a viral video. I go into like a deep dive into this TikTok video here, where we got, I think over 10 million views. So I think this is perfect if you know how to do videos, but you're kind of a bit unsure what types of videos you need to make, because there is some strategies that work very well behind getting millions of views. They're like length of videos, the strategy, where you post, when you post, what kind of content and everything. So I think I found a very good strategy for this that I share in this course, if this is something you want to pursue, right? So go check it out. You can find the link in the description, the aivideocourse.com. And I'm gonna keep updating when I find new stuff I want to share. So if you sign up once, this is for life. There's no monthly subscription. It's just a one-time fee, and you get all the new modules that come out. But now let's go over and see my full project. Okay, so you can see now, here is how it ended up. So this is the full project. What you think is funny is totally up to you. What you think is entertaining, and I can't really learn that. I'm just gonna go, I like to throw in some funny clips here at sometimes. So why don't we just watch the full thing, and then I can do a few comments on basically how I did that.
I'm doing good. What we got here?
This is an old Halo Edition Xbox controller.
Wow, this might be the most rare item I've seen ever. Where did you get a hold of this, man? You know how rare these are. There's like just a handful of these in the world.
Absolutely.
I'm like in awe of this thing right now, but they're so rare I have my doubts. You understand why? It's just,
I
you
see where
basically
you're
just
coming.
walked in here with the Holy Grail. So, how much you want for this thing?
There's been several of them. There's ones that sold at a big auction house, and it went for like 60, 70,000, something like that. And I'll be happy with $900,000.
So, I'm gonna go make a phone call, get someone down here.
These are so rare. I mean, saying it's like the Mona Lisa is not an understatement. I've never seen one outside a museum, so I've never actually touched one. Can I touch it?
Absolutely. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Very knowledgeable.
I love stuff like this. I love crazy, weird history. I'll tell you what, I have a rare copy of a game that almost no one owns. It's called Concord, and I am willing to make a trade for it. What do you say?
Deal. I'll take it.
It's been a pleasure, man. Enjoy the game and good luck.
Okay, so that was the clip, right? So you can see in between there, you can see what kind of where I tried to put in some different AI videos. So basically, I didn't have like a great plan going into this. I can mute some of the sections. You can see here, the timeline isn't too crazy. You can see here, this part was a bit boring, right? This long part, him talking. So I put in like Rick here drinking a big pint in the middle of him talking. And here is just more images of the Xbox controller, right? And here I added, I did his voice, raising this to 900,000, as you can hear here.
$900,000.
And then I just took the second image and added like, the price is now 900,000, like the bid. That is typical from this pawn shop show. And from that, I just used some old, and here I just throw in like a random Rick shaving his head video. And instead of he asked, can I touch it? And I just thought it would be funny if he licked it. And I just took some random video here. And again, Rick drinking. And this is an inside joke if you know anything about gaming. So this is targeted at the gaming audience. Because Concord was like a game that sold almost no copies and was shut down right away. It's a rare game because no one bought it. So that is kind of the inside jokes. He takes the bait straight away and they make a deal, right? So it's basically everything is a joke, but the workflow is the same all through this clip. I just used voice, nano banana, cling, and Suno for the music. So everything else is just taste that you have to develop to your particular niche or what you want to create, right? So I don't think there's so much else to say here. I kind of show you like a few techniques of how you can do this. But of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. And the strategy is a big part of this. So like I said, if you want to dive deeper into that, check out the course. But if people keep sending me comments like this, I will try to do a follow-up video on this, right? So yeah, as I said in the beginning, I said I was gonna play like the full asmongold streamer reaction to my 10 million plus viral video on Sora 2. So that's gonna be for me. So at the end here, you will now get a couple of minutes of asmongold reacting to my viral AI video. So enjoy that, and hope this gave you some information, and I'll see you again, hopefully, very soon.
Gaming memes go. Wait, this is Sora 2?
Look, man, I'm not here to judge your whole life, but you died to the cannon minion 8 times in one lane. At that point, it's disturbance.
That's not a law. It's just a bad game.
No wave, no vision, no flash. You autoed it once, it chunked you.
All right, man, you know why we're here. You did plenty. 53 real-world days on that Paladin, you're still in Elwyn Forest. You haven't touched a dungeon, no professions past 30, no mount training.
You know what? Maybe I do agree with it.
That's neglected progression.
I just like the vibe.
There you go. Listen up, man.
Are you serious? I didn't do anything.
You did plenty. 0 and 11 on Yasuo with no wards bought, refused to group, and you stole blue from your jungle at level 1. That's griefing.
It's just a bad game.
Games happen. This is
All right, man, you're under arrest for willful gaming neglect. 3,000 deaths to the Tree Sentinel, still level 1. That's
Yes! Bro, put them in jail. Put them in jail for dying in a tree sentinel. This is, see, finally, we got some this is some use of some fucking police.
reckless endangerment of your free time.
It's supposed to be hard.
It's
Hard,
supposed
sure,
to be
but you
hard.
kept charging straight in. No shield, no summons, no stat investment.
Yeah.
Dude, what is happening?
There you go. Relax.
For what?
This is all
I
AI.
didn't
Being
do
detained for
anything.
crimes against mid lane fundamentals. You died 10 times in 15 minutes, kept pushing without vision, and you blew flash for no reason.
That's not illegal.
It is.
It is.
For me, partner. You're under arrest.
For what? I'm literally just playing WoW.
Yeah, and you wiped that raid 3 times in a row, pulled the boss at
Bro, I used to pray for times like this. Oh god, bro, I used this to see this. We've been waiting on this one for a while.
70 when the healer wasn't topped, ignored the fire scroll mechanics, and then rolled neat on the mount you didn't
Dude,
even
that's
help
not a
kill.
crime.
Firelands Resort would be the only example of that making sense. And you know what? Back then, if I could have put the people in jail that would get hit by the fire tornadoes, I would do it. And you know what else? It would be a one-man raid back then. Yeah, they arrested him and released him after, so it was only a mistake on the police's end? Yes, clearly. When am I doing Sora? Should be soon, man. It really should be. And, yeah, Tree Sentinel. I've watched... So I remember watching Kai die to Tree Sentinel a million times. And then I remember watching Bonnie play Elden Ring for the first time. Man. I never really thought... I mean, it's a hard boss, but, like... Jesus Christ. Like... Oh my god. Like, it's not that hard. Jesus.